All right, boys, about 3:33 in the afternoon here, Central Daylight Savings Time. That mulberry tree right over there. It's got a squirrel in it. I can see the limb shaking. He's quit shaking it now, though. You might see it shaking now. Right in there. That's where he's at. Yeah, see him right there. That boy, that squirrel there hit the ground. He delay fall too, but that's probably a good sign on him. I tried to aim at the head. It's a little wobbly on this stick right here, sitting down this old tall stick. I got him, though. This is what happens on a wobbly shot with that gun, boys. You get that old head busted. I like this old gun. I like the caliber too. It's sort of warm out here. We're gonna go on back in here. There's some more mulberry trees. There may be more squirrels here. They don't make noise eating mulberries like a nut, you know. Their sound's not, their ears are undisturbed, boys. They can hear a pin drop, a gnat fart. Y'all hear him barking? There's a deer come out of that old barn right there. Just a fly. They spooked that squirrel. The deers went up in here. Let's see if I can find this gray squirrel. He's a barking. That mulberry tree right there, boys. It's loaded with that green wood. You might see him in this camera. They're in there, all right. This tree right here ain't much better right here, and I ain't seen no squirrels right here. That's why. It's green. Way greener than they usually are this time of the year. Y'all want to see a bee tree? That white oak there, that's a masterpiece, ain't it? Look at this camera on that hole up there. You can see them swarming. I've looked at them in a rifle scope. Get zeroed in here, see if you can see them. I can hear them. See them there? Boy, they got them a bee tree right there, don't they, boys? That's an old tree right there. I've killed squirrels out there, but I wish I had $1 for every squirrel that's been raised in that tree. I might be rich. That's an old job there, boys. I'm surprised it's still standing with all this high wind we had. That thing's tough, though. I want to see what else the groundhog is 55 yards with this rifle. You see him right there? He'll stick that head back up. See him right there? 55 yards. Right in behind that dove. Well, boys, you see him down there? He's all buckled up. We'll go get him here and show him to you. Shot him one-handed off his old trigger stick. Potent medicine there, boys, on that old noggin. You see the blood there where he crawled a little ways. He got a red head too. 55 yards on the laser. I'm watching a mulberry tree over here at about 120 yards and I ain't seen a limb shake in it. I believe they're too green. Alright, boy, there's one 65 yards. We're going to try it. I've got a lot of wind on me right now. I'm going to watch the wind. Well, we got him, boys. He's laying over there. Well, there he is, boys. One of these groundhogs. Shot his eyeball out.